good morning everybody. How's it fucking going? So I woke up this morning and I went out front to leave to go to my clinical and my fucking car was stolen. Still missing. It's been about an hour since we found out, and yeah, fucking people are dirtbags, and if I find out who stole my car, I'm gonna freaking be really pissed off and stuff. So I'll let you guys know what's going on later. Alright, so we're at Brad's car. Oh fuck. Friggin' crap.
That's dickered, man. You want to be here for a little bit then? Yeah.
Oh, frickin' dickered. So, that's Brad's car. It's freaking trashed. My car's still missing. This freaking sucks. Big time. I'm pretty pissed. Son of a bitch.
They might be at the hospital. Yeah, somebody got to get hurt.
Yeah, they might have took him to the hospital in Charlie's car. I'll call like St. Anthony's, St. John's,
Jefferson Regional.
Jefferson Regional. I'll see what.
Well, the closest ones are St. Clair, St. Anthony's, Jefferson Regional. Those would be probably the three.
Right. Yeah, all this stuff here was sitting on it.
That was all on the roof? Yeah. Yeah, they might be able to get fingerprints off some of that stuff. It looks like they were going to take it.
Alright, so report's been filed on my car. Freaking son of a bitch. And they're out here flipping over Brad's car. Right there. You can see. So. Dickered. If they are, punch them in the face. Ouch. The trunk stayed closed. Lucky some bitches. I'd almost be happy to find mine like that.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's the inside of Brad's car. Freaking roof. A little bit caved in right there. Friggin' son of a bitch. Man. Some good wire right there. Scrap metals. Holy crap. Brad, how you feeling about your car being stolen?
A little violated.
Yeah? What would you like to do to these SOBs when you find them? Let the law take care of them, right?
That's right.
They'll get what they deserve.
Hey, they didn't steal my bathroom gift card.
Oh, shit. You made out pretty good. So, the way I figure it, my car can't be too far off. They actually found some of my stuff here at the accident scene. So hopefully it's found quickly and they didn't get all of my crap. That'd be kind of nice. I don't know. Freaking dickered. I'll be stuck driving my motorcycle for a while. Which ain't a bad thing, but it ain't a good thing. Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, so here's a little update. Brad's car was freaking totally chooched. I filed a report with mine. The cops are looking for it. They actually found a truck in the field right down from the firehouse that was also a stolen vehicle. So we're thinking they probably took that and ran it into the field and got stuck and then came down and stole me and Brad's cars. My brother come pick me up. He's on his way home from school or work. And we're just going back home. Not really sure what I'm going to do. I'll probably give it a day or 2 or 3 and see if my car turns up. And if it doesn't by then, I guess I'll be buying a new car, which, yeah, freaking awesome. Like, I can afford that. But called the news stations. They all say that they're interested and want to do a story on it. But it's been about an hour or so ago and nobody's called me back. So I don't know, we'll see. I got a post out on Facebook and a text message that's going around. Like, I thank you, all my friends that are reposting that post or sharing my post from Facebook. Thank you very much, I appreciate it.
That's not it.
Yeah, that was it. But, yeah, so hopefully this thing will turn up and it won't be completely dickered. So, I don't know, I'll let you guys know. Hey guys, alright, so I just got a call from one of the guys at the firehouse. A deputy found my roof rack off my car and a bunch of the shit that was in the trunk of my car scattered all over the parking lot at the old fire tower. So we are headed over there now to see what the hell is there and see, I don't know. We'll see.
Around here somewhere.
Alright guys, so I'm at the park and there's my shit's just scattered all over the park. I got a GPS here, my bike rack's in the fucking trees, my turnout gear for the ambulance is over there, one of my bike shoes over there, there's a bunch of shit in the trash can, stuff all over the parking lot. It's like they drove in here and just fucking scattered my shit all over the place. I don't get it. I don't understand. Whatever. So I guess we'll keep looking for other stuff. It just doesn't make any sense. So whatever. All right, guys. So like I said, found a bunch of crap right there. Freaking roof rack and all that stuff. And
that's what they call it.
Everybody's putting it out on Facebook. We're just kind of waiting to see where my car turns up. Alright guys, so I got a phone call about 9 o'clock tonight that they found my car, and it's in Iron County, which is
really far away.
Probably like about 80 miles, 100 miles from here. And I talked to the guy at the tow yard. He said that the bottom of the engine's like ripped off, all the windows are busted out, the headlights are busted out, the tail lights are busted. It looks like they just like drove it through a freaking field full of stumps, which is awesome. He said they started it up and it's knocking like crazy and like oil like puking out of the tailpipe, so it's pretty much chooched and dickered and son of a bitch, and so I guess I'm gonna have to freaking buy a new car, which is definitely not on the budget, but I don't really have a choice, so freaking awesome. So me and Corinne, that's Corinne, everybody, say hi. We went for a motorcycle ride and stopped and got some yoo-hoos, and yeah, so that was my day. It was pretty dickered, but I did get a little ride in. A little ride on that. Well, you can't really see because of the glare. I don't know. See you tomorrow.